Hello students, welcome to the fifth video lesson of lesson number 14. Let's be good and safe. In the previous videos we have seen what is the meaning of a rule, why do we need rule, and some of the rules. Rules at school, rules on the road, all these things we have seen. Today we are going to see rules at home. When we are at home, there also we have to follow some rules, and what are these rules? We will see this in this video. So let us see what is there in the book. There are some rules to be followed at home. Keep your house neat and tidy. This will help you to find your things easily. Your friends will like to come and play in your house. So what it says, like we have some rules at school and some of the rules, some rules we have to follow on the road. Everywhere we have to follow some or the other rule. Similarly, we have some rules which has to be followed. There are some rules which has to be followed at home. One of those rules is that we must keep our house neat and tidy. How it will help us? It will help you to find your things easily. Suppose if we are in need of something, we will find that thing easily if we have kept that particular thing at its particular place, So that is why we must keep our house neat and tidy. Other thing, your friends, they will like to come to your house. Suppose your house is clean, so they will like to come to your house. If it is dirty, no one would like to come. That is why you must keep your house neat and tidy. Now again, there are some do's and don'ts. First of all, we will see the do's. Number one, keep our room tidy. As we know, we have to keep our room tidy, neat and clean. Put all our things in their proper places. There is a fixed place for everything in our house. So we must keep those things at their respective places, at their proper places, so that we may find it very easily when we need. Help our younger brothers and sisters. In your home, you must be having your younger brother and sister. They do not have much sense like you have, and that is why you must help them. Help our parents. Suppose if your parents are doing some work, and if you find that you can help in that particular work, you must help them. Respect the elders in our family. Similarly, we have seen that you have to respect your teachers when you are in the school. Similarly, you have to respect your elders when you are in your home. I hope you understand this. Sixth one, love and respect our grandparents. In your home, you must be having your grandparent. So what you have to do, what you're supposed to do, you have to love them, you have to respect them. Use electrical items in the presence of elders. There are some electrical appliances in our home, in our house, that we use in our day-to-day life. So whenever you have to use those electrical appliances, you have to use in the presence of elders. Don't use it when you are alone. Why? You may get some electric shock, you may get some injury. The next one we have, switch off the lights and fans when there is no one in the room. We have to switch off the lights and fans when they are not in use. We have seen this rule in the rules at school also. Why we have to switch it off? To save electricity. Next one we have, return home before it's dark. Whenever you are out of your home for playing or for any work, you have to return home before it is dark. Now the next one, the 10th one, if something bad happens with us, we must always inform our family members. One of the most important rule that you have to follow always. Suppose if you are out of your house, you are coming to school or you are going anywhere else in the market, and something bad happens with you. What happens? Some unknown person wants to talk to you, tries to give something to you. Understood? Or suppose you met some accident, small accident, even a small accident. What you have to do? You have to hide with your parents? No, you must never do this. What you're supposed to do? You have to tell what happened, whatever happened with you, you have to tell that particular thing to your parents. That yes, these things happened, or this particular thing happened with me when I was in the school or when I was in the market. You must never hide. These were some do's that you're supposed to do. Now we will see some don'ts, the things that you are not supposed to do or you must not do. The first of all is, do not play with sharp things like knives, blades and scissors. Sharp things like knives, blades and scissors, what you're supposed to do? You are supposed not to play with them. I hope it is clear to you. Do not play with matchsticks or light a fire. Similarly, matchsticks or lighting a fire, do not play with fire. Simply we can say, do not play with fire. Do not play with matchsticks. Next one, do not touch electrical points or wires. Suppose if you are around near you, if there are live wires, what you're supposed to do? You have to be very careful. You don't have to touch those wires. Why? You may get some electric shock. Do not keep the tap running while bathing or brushing our teeth. Remember, water is very precious. You must not keep the tap running. You must close it when they are not in use. We must save water. Why? Water is very precious. What is the meaning of the word precious? It is written here. Of great value and not to be wasted. Something which has a great value and should not be wasted, it will be considered as precious. So water is precious. That is why we must not waste it. We must save it. The next one we have, do not trust or talk to strangers. The same thing we saw in the number 10. It is related to that. You must not trust or talk to strangers. Now, the next one, do not open the doors of your house to strangers. Suppose if you are in your home alone and someone is at the door, what you're supposed to do? You must open the door? No. First you must ask who the person is, and if that person is an unknown person, do not open the door. So, we must enjoy our life at home as well as outside. Therefore, we should always be careful. We must follow all the rules in our daily life, at all the places, at school, on the road, and at home. The rules of to do and not to do will keep us safe and happy. How we can enjoy our life? By following rules, by following these particular rules. Even in the school, on the road, or when you are in the home. When you will follow the rules, when you will follow the do's and don'ts, then you will be safe and you will be happy. So I hope you have understood whatever we have discussed in this lesson. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the school app or in the online class also. In the next video, we will see the exercises. So till then, go through the lesson once more. Study well. Thank you.